taking a video.
That's a sweet picture of different lines.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
That's just a little cage right there. Here, bud, come here. I'll put my flashlight so you can get it.
Okay.
Dude, it looks like there's a ghost. Like legit.
Holy crap. That's awesome.
Okay, now stop right there. See that black door?
Yeah.
Push the little bar down and open the door.
Yeah. Oh wait.
You just wiggle it around.
Whoa.
Okay. Now, that's the tunnel of the school.
Wow.
Stick your camera in and take a
Yeah,
picture.
want me to, Butler?
Yeah, go for it.
No, dude.
And what that is, that's what they consider like a pipe chase, or but they're called tunnels.
Wow.
And it's only in the old part of the schools, not in the new part. And this is new. This is only 3 years old now. Same as the water tanks.
Sweet.
Wow.
And this is part of the school that most people
This
use.
is straight. Anyway.
Here, we'll do one more. You guys are doing good. Fascinating trouble. We'll do one more. One up here.
This is an early birthday gift for me.
That's the breakers for the school.
Oh wow.
Take a picture of that. That's the phones. Huh. This used to be the original phones, and they took kind of got they didn't really replace it. They just kind of moved it from here to there. And this all worked. This was all in working order. They were thinking of energy conservation in 1949 when they built the school.
Wow.
That's sweet.
Yeah. Now these work, the thermostats ended up breaking down, but that's what it's for. And see, 5 days a week for the school, it shut down to the cooler. So you had a setting of 70 and 65, and when it clicked on, it moved. Guess what? They put the new stuff in, and it does exactly the same thing as this did 40 years ago. 50, make that 60 years ago. Wow. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Stuff like that, I like
This is
that.
awesome.
Stuff like that, it's kind of interesting. Is it stuff that people don't know? So my custodian room came from the hallway by the office, across here, and down in the boiler room. So now they added the door, these steps, and a door there so that you can see. And I'll just give you a little hint, show you a little way to tell what's old and what's new. See, we still have the drain on the floor. This is supposed to